Shibenta jong ka jing yai beteng jong ka sarkar ye ka jing angnuat ban rat ding khong ye u drok bat ki jing pindan kam bakla ye u bat kumju ru ban yai bot dien ye ka dor khas balaya soi da ka dream mission hau no pra 8000 san ka memorandum of understanding bat ka Sankardev College kan penlong ki jing jurim ka jing ti bniah ye ka jing pindan kam bakla bat kharoi u drok haka jylla haka singining kong la ple ye ka ne ka jing Sdang ka jing jurip ban yo ki jing khen ye ki jing dan ki badi drok bat ya ka ne la ple ha Sankardev College haka jing dan lang Dr. Iaka FP Lingdo Principal Uba K Khan Vice Principal Kinong Hikai bat Kinong Mi Khamat na po ka Dream Mission haring kat lang bat ka Meghalaya Users Forum bat ka Meghalaya Drok Users Network kani ka jing Sdang ka long ka bakir pang ka ba ka kinthop ya ki dokhat bakin dan benta banlum jingkhen ha ka ka program la yo ka jingkran na MD Dream nangta no Mission Director ubala yaro yo menteri rangpa ka jylla u Konrad ke sangma ubalawan ra ya ka jingmat ka Dream Mission bat kumjuru ya ka Sankardev College bat ka Miss Itariang Head of Department Statistic ka balaya lam ya ka jingle survey ban wat bniah ya ka jingkharoi jong udrok ha ka jylla.
These seats can vary from 8 to 15. So we can have 1 to 3 till 15 seats. But the problem with that is if we take bigger seats, you understand, no, the chain is going to be very, very complicated when we come to the lower levels. It's like the when you have those business plans where you have downlines. Do you remember? I think in the year 2000, 2002 or something we used to have, where you recruit people, downlines, and then the top person earns the most, and then like that. So it's like that basically. Okay? So seat A, seat B. Now let's say seat A, suppose you are seat A, and I'll take somebody from there is seat B. Okay? Now you have your friends that you know who are active users, so you recruit 2 people. So under you, we will have seat A1 and seat A2. Okay? Is that clear? Similarly, you have seat B1, seat B2. Okay? Now, those people that you have recruited, that means A1 will also recruit 2 more people under him or her. And then A2 also will recruit 2 more people under him or her. Okay? So it becomes A11. This respondent-driven sampling is an extension of the snowball sampling, and you might wonder why are we not using snowball sampling? Why are we using respondent-driven sampling, although it is just an extension of the snowball sampling? The snowball sampling is not scientific. In our language, in statistics, we say probability sampling and non-probability sampling. So obviously, we will always go for probability sampling rather than non-probability, because our results will be very accurate and very reliable also. And why we have chosen this RDS is because we have to use some kind of mathematical model to make the results more scientific. So that is why we have chosen the RDS, that is the respondent-driven sampling. Now, if you see here with a mathematical model that weights the data to compensate for the fact
that we are all facing, and I hope that with the contribution of all of you, because Iba will not be able to do the work alone. So definitely she will help, she will need the help of each and every one of you present here today. And for that I'm so thankful, because as an institution, we want that whatever that we have been able to assign, to do it in such a way that the end result will help us, will help the state government, will help each one of us to move in the right direction, to solve the problem that we all know very well. So I will not say much, and I extend my best wishes to each one of you, and I hope that this training will really
identity cards, so as volunteers of the Dream Mission, and you can carry that for moving around, so not to hinder your data collection. And besides that, anything you require, any support you require, I'm always there. If it needs to evolve, if we need to innovate, find new ideas, I'm always ready to listen to that. We can view as we move ahead. With these few words, I thank all of you for being here for this momentous occasion. It is a momentous occasion, and I'm really thankful once again to Sankardev College and particularly for taking taking up this daunting and challenging task. Siya po na kubay niya. Nakaba siya dyan mo ya Sankardev College. Berkandani kong iba tarian iba mana. Kaya kuai penyusun di yang dikam bangsa juga government paling yodum begini kita coba stop kecil-kecil itu drugs. Tapi Asian menjual kita ki kita ki user satu lain lah. Ada kata kebarang very confusing kata data. Next kan that is totally wrong information. Itu in fact information kawan ki. Dan ni di wahai tu penilai tu data. Dia orang confused.